What's up, guys? This is Yagesh Loganathan, founder of L.Y.R Arts. So today topic I want to show you different style is drawing in laptop with using drawing pad. It was a WACOM brand. This was my first illustration computer drawing. So I doing screen recording with using OBS Studio software. I draw myself with evil smile like a horror movie style, and also you can create comic, cartoon and everything else. You can use it for illustration. So this drawing I was using software is AutoDesk Sketchbook, and I want to make it my picture a self-portrait. Half is human face and half is evil or ghost face, and this is 100% based on my creativity. And second thing, this speech method I was learning from artist Seri Viswa, founder of Drawing DNA Unleashed YouTuber. If anyone don't know, if I already give his channel link on the description, so everyone can watch his YouTube channel, and also please subscribe and support his channel also. So lot will thinking about me, why are you copy from him? It's so simple, I not copy. I just learning and trying his method only. So don't be shy for learning, guys. Learning is good for me. That's why I was learn for dubbing my voice like his style. So that's all, guys. Enjoy the videos. that's all guys. I was showing the video for today. It's finally become my as ghost face like looking so good and definitely it will using for movie style. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon my YouTube channel.